How are you doing today? So, what about being on your own during the lockdown? Do you like it or not? Some people love it, some people don't. Being alone during the lockdown is no different than the rest of the time because at the end of the day, you still have your friends and you can still reach to them. If you're feeling lonely, reach to your friends. Send them a message, call them. We have the luck to be on the 21st century and to have many ways to be in contact with people. And if you're feeling lonely, like really like most of the time, maybe you should look into that. Because maybe when there was no lockdown, you were still lonely. It's just that you were very busy and you couldn't find out why. Because being on your own doesn't mean you're lonely. You still have your friends, you still have yourself. Can you handle yourself? That's the real question. Do you like to be with yourself? If you don't like to be with yourself, then lockdown is a bit hard because you want to run away from yourself, from your mind, for whatever is going on. But lockdown is a great moment to actually learn to make peace with yourself. What is it? Anxiety, anger, fear? It's all there. You're your best friend. Remember that. And you're the only person you live from the moment you were born until you die. So why not try and make peace with yourself, with your demon, with whatever it is that you don't like about yourself? Be gentle with yourself. Investigate those parts of you and integrate them, accept them because they'll always be there. Always. We all have a shadow. We all have a part that is like this that we don't like so much, but it's okay. You can learn from that part. Most important, learn to love yourself. If you learn to love yourself, you won't feel lonely and you'll be able to reach out to people not out of despair, even if sometimes it may happen, but because you will feel like reaching out to them. So work on yourself and go through the feeling of loneliness during the COVID. See you soon.